Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So do you want to know about 270 shop reviews? So here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So please stay connected with us. Also, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you have already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So please stay tuned with us. People from the United States are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and to not skip any part of it. So now we are going to discuss about this website, what kind of website this is and what kind of products does it offer to the customers. So this website is an online shopping site which deals with branded sports shoes. They offer brands from Adidas, Jordan, Nike and many more. So if you want to check out their products, you have to visit to their official site. So next we'll check the payment method, but they haven't given it here separately. For that, you have to go to the checkout zone. So we have checked and we have found out that this website accepts PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Amex, Discover, JCB and many more. Now if you want to know about their shipping timing, go to the delivery information page section. So here they have given the processing timing and the receiving timing. So the processing timing takes 1 to 2 days and the receiving timing takes 5 to 9 days. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. Now let's discuss about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe. It is a good sign of this website. Now, if you want to know about the domain information, this website was registered on 2nd of November 2021 and it will expire on 1st of November 2022, which means this website is newly created and hence it can't be trusted. So now if you want to know about their About Us details, go to the About Us page section. But guys, when it comes to their About Us details, they haven't given their business establishment here or about their founder identity. So this is the negative sign. So next we are going to check the contact details. So here they have given the physical address and the email address, but the physical address seems totally suspicious because there is nothing out there. They've only given the road address and we have found this same address in other websites as well. Also, the email address name does not match the domain name, which is a negative sign of this website. Now, if you want to know about their social media presence, well, this website has mentioned that they have got social media presence, but if you click on any of these icons, it will only lead you to someone else's social media account. So this means that this website does not have their own social media account. So this is also a negative sign. Next, we are going to check their return and refund policy, but as you can see, this website does not have any return or refund policy page section. So this is also a negative sign. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the links through which you can solve your money issues. Now talking about the 270 shop reviews, there are no single customer review of this website anywhere. And the trust score is only 1% and the business trust ranking is only 1.9%, which is very low and bad. And the content quality is also totally plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the 270 shop reviews, this website appears to be a scam website. It is a very young website. It does not have any reviews or any social media presence. Also, they haven't given their genuine contact details and the trust score is very poor. So it seems like it is a scam website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.